it's Lael with Lael by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at the brand new Here and There mini book project kit using my new Postcards and Passports collection. So first we will take a look at the completed project, then we will take a look at the contents of the kit. In the description box of the video down below, you will find a link to purchase the mini book project kit. You will also find links for the Postcards and Passport collection. All right, so this is a beautiful travel themed mini book project kit. As always, the Lael by Mail mini book project kits include everything that you need to put the project together, along with color step-by-step instructions and access to a 3+ hour video class where I make the project right along with you step by step. All right, so the base of the project, we're using one of Doodlebug's 6x8 ring-bound albums. And with the Postcards and Passports collection, you will notice that it is not particular to any type of travel. It could be land, it could be sea, it could be air. It could be for really any kind of travel. It could be beach, it could be country, city, international, around town. Really works for a lot of different travel moments. All right, so as we get started, got my little airplane there got a little bent. Anyhow, as we get started, you'll find the project is full of lots of so many goodies, lots of interactive elements, a couple things that are exclusive to the kit, like this little 4x6 Let's Travel card. Lots of interactive elements for you to pull your photos and memorabilia in and out. We kind of start out with as you're getting ready for your trip. Now, I have used a number of like the airplane travel icons in my project kit, but if you are driving, maybe instead of flying or on a cruise or something like that, you don't have to use anything that necessarily doesn't apply to you. All right, first interactive element, I guess we saw one, but this is the next interactive element. You have a fun glassine bag there, and inside you have a piece here that you can add travel checklist, any journaling about your trip as you're getting prepared to go. Fun little luggage tag there. That will just tuck right back in there. As we continue, tags to add your departure information, your arrival information, wherever you are going. Little interactive element here, room for photo or multiple photos. Here you have a little pocket where you can, again, add your photos and or memorabilia. As we continue, you have a waterfall here. So I'm going to remove that little clip, and that little clip is part of the kit. This little piece folds down, and then you have several pieces here, that waterfall. And if you see on that page with that waterfall, I have room for 7 total photos. So really maximizing space for all of your photos from your trip. Little interactive element here as well. One of the fun things about the Doodlebug albums is that the pocket pages are side loading. So we can do some fun interactive elements with that kind of side loading feature. Here's another one where we've taken a 4x12 and inserted part of it into the pocket and folded the other piece over. Pocket there for photos, memorabilia, what have you, tickets. Here you have a couple of different luggage tags. So little doors here. You can add photos and journaling, and then lift up, add more photos and journaling. Here we have another little glassine bag with a large shipping tag. But you'll see super fun icons in the Postcards and Passports collection, along with really fun word die cuts, but just a really bright, fun, cheery color palette for your travels. You have a side pocket here that your photos or memorabilia can pull in and out of. We have a double slash pocket here, so multiple pockets, again, for adding your photos and memorabilia. A little interactive element here, photos. Here we've got a little pocket, you've got a little small shipping tag, another tag tucking in there. So as you can see, tons of interactive elements, leaving you lots of room for photos documenting your trip. You have 2 side-by-side pockets there. Here we have a door that lifts, a door that opens with a fun little luggage tag accent on the side. So as you can see, great for lots of different types of travel, not necessarily particular to a specific type of travel or location. Here, travel logs. So you have actually more than one of those if you would like to add into that pocket to do a little bit of journaling or itinerary for your trip. using lots of dimensional adhesive in this one to really give some visual interest with the word die cuts, and the icons die cuts. As we continue, starting to wrap up, one last, that's a double side pocket, so room for photos and memorabilia there, and then also there. One last interactive element here. And there you have it. There are actually 3 6x8 pocket pages left. And what I like to do with the 6x8 pocket pages, especially in a project like this, is to, this is where I store all my memorabilia that I've not like included in my album. So postcards and stickers and maps and tickets and so forth. All right, so that is the completed project. Now let's take a look at the contents of the kit. So as I mentioned, the base of that project is that 6x8 album from Doodlebug. That is the swimming pool color. So many great things that come just pre-packed in the album. First off, that is a lay flat binding, so it makes it really easy to work on your project. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pocket pages in different configurations. So you have 6x8, you have 4x6s, you have 4x6 3x4s, 3x4s, and that wraps it up. Then you end up with some pre-configured pockets. So you've got 2 that look like this with your little pocket. That is the page that's part of your album. So 2 like that. You also have 2 pages that have that side pocket. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the teal kind of tone-on-tone polka dot pages. So that matches the color of that binding. And then you have 5 really strong, sturdy chipboard dividers. And in the project, I've used 3 of the 5, the top, the middle, and the bottom. So you've got a couple of extra dividers there to play with. So that is the base of the project, that album. Then we move on. You have, as I mentioned, color printed step-by-step instructions. So in class, we will follow these very closely as we put together our project. You have the Postcards and Passports paper pack. So with that paper pack, you have 12 sheets, 2 sheets each of 12 different patterns. We actually even make use of that cover. We do a lot of fun things with that cover. And on the back side, you even have that usable pattern. You have the white grid. As we continue, you have that beautiful chunky striped rainbow. The back side of that is that fun map. Then you have teal icons. And on the back side of that, you have a ledger. You have some multicolored words on the back side of that. You have the green geotag. So you have 2 sheets each of all 6 papers in the kit, giving you 12 patterns. You have the white stamp icons with the pink tone-on-tone stripe on the back side. You have a 12 by 12 sheet of cut apart luggage tags with airplanes on the back. And then the last 2 sets of papers, you have a 12 by 12 sheet of cut apart postcards. And then on the back side of that, you have a fun orange with kind of a neutral blush polka dot. Other papers that you have included in the kit, you have a 12 by 12 piece of black cardstock. You have a 12 by 12 piece of my white grid pattern. And then you also have a 12 by 12 piece of that lined notebook paper pattern, both double-sided. All right, then we move into the packages of die cuts. So you have 2 packages of die cuts from Postcards and Passports. You have the die cut icons. There are 96 pieces in that package. And I will tell you, we used probably 90% at least of all of the die cuts in the project. So there, that will give you a feel for all of those fun die cut icons. I'm trying to invent a new word there with die cuts. Die cut icons. So lots of great different travel icons in the beautiful colors that represent that Postcards and Passports collection. Then you have a package of the die cut words. You have 66 die cut pieces in there. And as you look on, excuse me, that back side, you get a very nice assortment of travel related words and phrases and a couple of small icons. Then we move to the Postcards and Passports word strip stickers. You have 91 stickers, and I will tell you, I probably used all but maybe 10 of those in the project as well. And last but not least, you have an assortment now of some fun little goodies. So I'll open this little package here so you can see what else is included. As I'm pulling that out, as I mentioned, you will find a link to purchase the project kit in the description box of the video below. You will also find a link to the Postcards and Passport collection if you happen to see something there that strikes your eye. All right, so a couple items exclusive to the kit, that 4x6 card, and then this 4x8 card. You have 3 shipping tags, a small, medium, and large. You have 2 yards each of a twine and also a white string. And so we're using these on a lot of the shipping tags. You have 2 different glassine bags that we're playing with. And then 2 paper clips. You have a large gold that I didn't end up using in the project. I had the whole project designed and then was cleaning up and discovered that I hadn't used that. And then you have that cute little heart paper clip that we're using to keep kind of our waterfall closed. Alrighty, so there you have it. As I mentioned, you will find a link to purchase that Here and There mini book project kit in the description of the video down below. The kit is currently shipping now, and the live class will take place on YouTube for people that purchase that kit in late June. And if you're not able to make that date, or if you're purchasing the kit after the live class takes place, you can always watch that class at any time. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave a comment or go to lailbymail.com and click contact us. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.